super quick product demo where I'll show you how quick and easy it is to set up a customer facing product configurator. So let's start with some building blocks. We're here in Onshape and we have the CAD design data for a workshop racking system. The parts, the rails, the uprights and the connection elements. These are really the foundation for what we'll offer to the customer that they can build. So let's see how we can turn these into a customer facing configurator by jumping into Infinitive. Now we've got these parts in Infinitive and this is where the magic happens. Here's where we create the rules and relationships that let customers build their own racking solutions. We're setting up parameters, lengths, heights and connection points that define how these pieces come together. Infinitive makes it easy to manage this complexity without getting bogged down, giving you the tools to create something powerful in minutes. Everything here can be set up with just very basic point and click and point and select options. No need for any kind of extensive coding or custom development. And this is a result, a live customer facing configurator, which with a few clicks your customers can design the perfect racking system. Here we selected a 3 shelf and then a narrow 3 shelf. Maybe then we want a 4 shelf, but maybe that's not the right configuration those we want, so let's remove those. Let's go for a 4 shelf next, but let's maybe go for a long 3 shelf then, and follow up with a narrow 3 shelf as well. Perfect, that looks exactly what I'm after. So it's a great way for you to let your customers make decisions and build their solution, and ultimately go ahead and purchase it. And for you it means less complexity, faster sales and happier customers. So thanks for watching this super quick product demo. If you want to find out more, check us out at infinitive.io or click on the link below this video to sign up to find out more information.